Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Here we have a book Art Mind for Step 4. Today we are going to do page number 10. Here we have a pot to draw and color. For drawing and coloring we need a pencil, pencil colors or crayon colors. Students, you can see a big circle. Now make the handle, drawing half circle like this. Students, make the lid of the pot by following me. Like this. Now draw a spout of pot like this. Now make any flower. I will make the flower by drawing only circle like this. Like this. Now I have done this. Let's start coloring. Take a purple color and do it in the circle. Students, make the stalk in one direction only. Now I will use random colors to color the remaining parts of pot. Students, I hope you have learned it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.